Some big news coming in. Mehbooba Mufti writes to Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha, alleges administration selectively targeting the PDP leaders and ex-MLAs. Mehbooba Mufti says, and I quote, PDP ex-MLAs being forced to vacate residences without being provided any alternate accommodation. PDP leaders not provided security despite being sending out repeated requests. This is Mehbooba Mufti's words. She accuses, writing a letter to Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha, alleges administration there selectively targeting all PDP leaders and ex-MLAs. She says that PDP ex-MLAs are being forced out of their residences without being provided with alternate accommodation there. She says that the leaders do not have any security despite repeated requests. Let me cut across to Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us live. Kamaljeet, Mehbooba Mufti's letter says or accuses that there has been no security. Furthermore, they are forcing ex-MLAs of the PDP out of their residence. What's the reason for this, and is there any reality and fact in what she says?
One, she's asked for intervention of the LG Manoj Sinha. So she says that there is a dire need that there is an intervention done at the highest level by the LG himself. We've been told Zahoor Mir and the likes of Nizamuddin Bhatt have been asked to vacate, not providing alternative residence to the areas in which they are staying, saying Jammu and Kashmir continues to be bearing the brunt of terrorism. Zahoor Mir's father was targeted and killed by terrorists. This is what she states in the letter, saying there is a need and saying seems to be a bias by the administration. Now, we've been speaking to security forces and saying that without bias, they've been providing security, including that to PDP. But sources in different areas have also confirmed that what she's saying is also the truth. And that is why once the Prime Minister had called her out and, there was an all-party meeting in which a reach-out was done, significantly, Mehbooba Mufti had talked about the CBMs or the confidence-building measures. One of them was to release several of the leaders who've been locked up under PSA and other segments. But here it is where she's reiterating the stance. Remember, earlier, once Article 370 and 35A were done away with, even the former chief ministers who were entitled to lifelong residences were asked to move. However, on ground, things did not change. But here is a ground reality that terrorism seems to be on the rise. There are elections in the offing, most likely somewhere between November to even February. And that is when there is an appeal which has come in from Mehbooba Mufti and needs to be seriously considered by the administration. And here in this concern, it is the LG Manoj Sinha.
Kamaljeet, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Mehbooba Mufti there alerting the LG about her ex-MLAs being forced out of their residences. These are the allegations she makes.